Hello again, super deformed bus collectors. I'm becoming one of them. So this is a Choro-Q. I know this because I bought it locally and I was able to look at the bottom. It says it's got the Choro-Q logo. It says HG. I'm guessing high grade, and it says it's from 2004. That's all I know. But it took Google Translate to this text here, and it says Hana in, or onsen in, which means like a hot spring in. I couldn't translate that, it's just too small, my camera wouldn't pick it up. But anyways, it's a pretty cool looking like classic bus, so that's why I got it. If anyone can guess like what this bus is, that would be fantastic. But I like that it's got license plates, orange blinkers, yellow headlights, just a flat printed on vent there. But these are molded, these little, I'm guessing they like have pop out or something on the real bus to add ventilation. Some orange paint up here, some sort of bus route or something there. The molding itself is protruding, it's a little bit gray. The side is pretty much flat. Well, there's a little bit of a depression I can feel where the windows are. Maybe it's just the paint adding. That might just be the paint. But it's a nice, two-tone. Like a pea green and then a really dark green here. A little marker there. I like the wheels as well. I don't think I've ever seen these wheels on a Choro-Q before. They look kind of like stamped wheels, but not. And then they got the colorful center there. So I like that. The back is pretty much smooth as well, except for the bumper sticks out. But printed on taillights. And then Google Translate couldn't do that either. But it looks like an image of a hot spring. Two women, bubbles. Okay. Yeah, so the top, not much, but it's just got this thing sticking out, so it's pretty neat. I like it. It's not even smoked that much. Usually the glass or canopy is much darker, but this one pretty light, so you can really see the spring motor in there, and then you can see the big post there to keep it from getting crushed. Alright, well anyways, I like it, so it's cool. You can see some images of other buses in deformed form. I guess I'm probably gonna get one of each casting at some point in time, because these things don't take up much space, so that's kind of why I like them. But they look also really funny, so let me get some other Choro-Q buses. Alright, actually, you know what? Let's show another brand. This is from Kin's Fun. I haven't shown this in a while. You can buy these off AliExpress, but I bought it locally at like a gift shop. It is definitely cartooned, but it's got giant wheels unlike Choro-Q's. Really big treaded tires. These are staggered axles. And then clear lenses for the headlights and this giant police light up here. So I think it's pretty cool. And it's not too far off in size. Granted, they're cartoons. A real bus would be much bigger than a Volkswagen van. Here's a Choro-Q of a Kanagawa loop bus. I think that's like a tourist bus in Kanagawa, Japan. Whole different type of styling, and it's actually backwards. My bad. Alright, here's something called a Bonnet Bus. Again, another Choro-Q. Let's get this one out. And I think this is a Renault. Someone commented on that. It makes sense. The logo looks like a Renault. So, I like all these weird looking buses. Different shapes, And let's see, we got a 3-axle one. That's Choro-Q as well, from sorts of baseball team livery. And my favorite one is this 4-axle one from Japan Railways. That is called a Neoplan Mega Cruiser. It's a crazy 4-axle double-decker. Very cool. I 3D printed my own wheels though because I love that bus so much. I think it's really neat. So, different heights, different width, different lengths, which makes sense. They're buses. So, let's get these guys out, or let's let this thing spin on its own. Every model deserves to spin on its own. Coincidentally, I ordered a bus like this from TinyQ off eBay, so that's in the mail somewhere. So there'll be a video of that coming up. I'm also kind of liking this thing here. It's a 3-axle CNG bus. So there's still a few buses I have to collect for sure. I'm sure there's actually a lot of buses I have to collect for sure. But it's not really high on my list of priorities. You know, I would rather buy cars and trucks and stuff like that. But if the price is right, I'll buy these things. Okay, well, thanks for checking this out. Hopefully, hopefully at least one of you guys out there likes buses. Well, I'm sure there's plenty of people that like buses. Hopefully there's a few of you guys that like buses in super deformed form. Otherwise, I'm just kind of talking to myself, which I am. But anyway, alright, I'll see you guys around. Bye.